This is the RC boat challenge. This is a $25 Walmart wakeboard RC boat with 10-pound braid followed by a piece of a night crawler. We've decked out our RC boat waterproof, hoping that if anything happens, no water's getting the cracks from a fish. Did you see that? Did we get that on camera? What was that? That was not a bluegill. Alright, we need to send in the recovery unit. Something took it under the water here. Alright. Guys, whatever that was, not only destroyed my waterproof boat, it broke 10-pound braid. And no, the knot did not come undone. It literally broke through the braid because the boat would not sink down with it. I don't know what Loch Ness monster we just hooked, but 10-pound braid is like the same as like 30-pound mondo. This knot was not undone. This was a snell knot. If you saw the video, you saw how much the boat dipped down. The pressure must have snapped the line. And that was on a piece of bread about that big. Well, we were supposed to go try to catch bass with this thing, but after catching the Loch Ness monster, I don't know if the boat will survive. I don't even know if the boat's running right now. We'll drain it and we'll get back to you in a second. So guys, as you just saw in that clip, we have no idea what just happened. We're out here bluegill fishing with a micro hook like you use for fly fishing with a tiny piece of bread, hoping that this $25 Walmart boat could handle a bluegill, and it seemed like the Loch Ness monster came out of nowhere. I have no idea what that was. This video is not fake, and this thing completely destroyed our boat. The boat sank underwater. I threw out another rod I had as backup that had a treble hook on it, or a double hook to snag it and bring it back in, and the boat was completely broken. It sank all the way. Inside was covered with water. So it looks like we've been out here for 5 minutes, and whatever mysterious creature that was ended our fishing trip early. So if you feel bad for me and want us to find out what that was, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and we will be back with more boats and we will find out what that was. So sorry the video wasn't longer, guys, but we did not plan to hook Nelly on the first try. Thank you.